After what Ashley has been through, to see her smile again, we seen a smile we hadn't seen in a long time.
When I was 2.5, I was diagnosed with leukemia, and my mum's auntie suggested to her that she send in an application to make a wish. She sat down with me and asked me what I wanted to be, and I told her I wanted to be a princess, and Make-A-Wish granted my wish. They did up my hair and they gave me a new dress. When we got to the hotel, there was a lot of princess stuff all over the bed, and I got to open the Disney shop and we went into Arnott's, and it was a great day.
And Ashley arrived and seeing everybody, there was a choir singing, there was people dressed up in costumes. All the family and friends were there and people were cheering and clapping, there was cameras flashing, and you could see Ashley's face. She didn't know what was going on, but she knew she was loving it, and the hand was going every 2 minutes, and the waves and the smile. Just to see that smile after what Ashley has been through, to see her smile again, we seen a smile we hadn't seen in a long time.
Coming up to the wish every day was hospital appointments. It was, you know, she had to have chemo every day. It was all about her illness. And from the minute we woke up on the morning of the wish, there was no illness. It was gone. Nobody talked about Ashley's illness that day. It wasn't about Ashley being sick. It was about her had a wish to be a princess, and she was getting this wish granted. And that's what it was all about, them 2 days.
To watch your child going from being poked and prodded to have needles and drips and lying in a hospital, not able to move, not able to eat, not able to drink, to having the morning of a wish, and then suddenly this little girl that you used to know comes walking through the door with the biggest smile you've ever seen on her face. It's just life-changing.
She's doing great, yeah. She got the all clear from hospital last year, so we don't have to go back at all. She's broken a few bones since then, but other than that, yeah, she's doing great, yeah. Yeah. She's very healthy and she's very, very happy, yeah.
The wish day, it was amazing. Like it has a great impact on people's lives, and it's an amazing experience. You know, it's something that, like, it's a memory you can have forever.